After the family week, Ashnoor, a switch happened. What happened? Because अशनूर जिसको हम हंसते with arguably with a smile करते हुए देख रहे थे became the शेरनी all of a sudden, and you know she was not taking any kind of bullying or remarks or comments that were coming her way.
Yeah.
Even Salman pointed it out that something just happened.
Yeah.
What happened?
So a lot of people are thinking that it's after the family week, after my dad came, but what they're not realizing is it happened one day before that. जब रोहित सर had come for weekend cover and he'd very nicely explained to me that Ashnoor आप सही कर रहे हो, आप सही points पे मुद्दे उठा रहे हो, but so this is something I've gotten from my dad that I just speak to the point and I let it go then. I don't stretch that topic. So Rohit sir said that you need to be more vocal, you need to be more elaborate in your conversations
Right.
and in keeping your viewpoints. And that's what I did. I took Rohit sir's feedback, and when dad came and he told me the same thing that you let things go because you think they're not that important and they're small things. But then people think that those small things keep piling up and you're not retaliating or you're not answering. So you're looking, जो मेरी personality थी that I don't need to respond to these things, वो actually मेरी weakness की तरह perceive हो रही थी कि मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ. Wherein I was actually letting things go. So it was just that you need to stand for yourself, and कोई भी चीज़ इधर बड़ी या छोटी नहीं है. There's no मुद्दा that's that you can't really measure the muddas कि ये छोटा है तो मैं इस पर रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करूँगी, और it does not matter, so I'll just let it go. Just be out there, and that's what Rohit sir had also told me. And
Correct.
plus when dad came, I had a lot of emotional venting out, so I felt much lighter. I felt much more ready for the coming weeks that were there. So it was majorly in response to what Rohit sir told me, and of course dad came, so I kind of felt better emotionally as well, and that just recharged me.
Absolutely. Your equation in the house with Abhishek Bajaj especially has been spoken about so much. You all have been linked up outside.
Yeah.
People made a hashtag called Abhinoor also. Of course, you all have said it on the show that you all are very good friends and all of that. But anywhere, did you feel that there was that kind of feeling that was coming into this friendship also?
No, we are
Not from your end probably, but from Abhishek's end?
No, we're best friends. Both of
Okay.
us really respect this friendship, this bond that we share. And I think it's very precious. And I also feel that people these days don't really give a lot of value to platonic friendships as much as they should. Because it's a beautiful bond that you share with someone, And ठीक है, I understand fans, they would probably ship us and all of that stuff. But हमें पता है कि हम बहुत बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, and कुछ relations ऐसे होते हैं ना कि आप उनके साथ छेड़ाछाड़ी नहीं करना चाहते, because they just right the way they are. They just wanted to stay exactly the way it is currently.
कहीं ना कहीं इरिटेट भी हुआ कि 2025 में भी लोग ये मेंटालिटी के साथ चलते हैं कि आज
एक
लड़का लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते.
I know. I just said that in an interview before this कि we are living in 2025. एक लड़का और एक लड़की दोस्त हो सकते हैं. So guys, move on.